don't mind.
What's your screensaver?
My screensaver?
Yep, man. Look this way.
That's my wallet. I'm trying to empty my wallet. Can I please do that? Am I allowed to do that? Because that's what he just asked me to do. That's what he just asked me to do.
What's your
My screensaver is none of your business. So then what?
This looks a hell of a lot like you.
That's me.
So you took off running because you stole his phone?
Nah, I didn't steal nobody's phone.
Okay.
I didn't steal nobody's phone.
So it just magically appeared in your pocket, or?
It must have just magically disappeared.
On February 21st, 2023, officers in Eustis, Florida encountered a foot pursuit inside a public park.
What you running from, man?
You're running from nobody.
You clearly running from this dude.
Why is he chasing me?
Saying you stole a phone, man.
You see, he stole a phone.
Again, do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do got an idea.
Yeah, can I get that?
Yeah.
All the way
So what's going on? Did you see him take your cell phone or something
Yeah.
like that?
He jumped in and jumped over the fence.
Where was your cell phone taken?
From the.
He's been weird all night.
Who? Okay.
We've never seen him.
You say you just have your phone. Do you mind emptying out your pockets first?
Yeah.
I'll just put everything on the bench.
This is my phone right there. In my front fucking pocket.
Everything. If you don't mind.
What's your screensaver?
My screensaver?
Yep, man. Look this way.
That's my wallet. I'm trying to empty my wallet. Can I please do that? Am I allowed to do that? Because that's what he just asked me to do. That's what he just asked me to do.
What's your screensaver?
My screensaver is none of your business. So then what?
I didn't buy him back.
Yeah, I don't think that's you.
That
looks a hell of a lot like
33. He says, I'm going to have 1, 10, 15.
This one that you said, it was your other phone that you pulled out of your back pocket.
Yeah.
That looks a hell of a lot like that guy.
Okay. And
No, that is him.
what? Yeah. And then
So you
what?
took off running because you stole his phone?
No, I didn't steal nobody's phone.
Okay.
I didn't steal nobody's phone.
So it just magically appeared in your pocket, or?
It must have just magically disappeared.
Yeah, okay.
Does he have it?
Looks like he does have it. All right.
It read in main side and refused to answer any question.
So,
Anything you say may be
what,
used against you in the court of law.
Listen.
You have to
Stop
consult an
and
attorney
listen.
before
Stop
speaking
and
to the
listen.
police,
Stop
or have an
talking.
attorney present during question now or in the future.
Yeah, no, I don't understand
Have any-
anything that you're saying right now.
Oh, you don't?
Well, maybe if
fair,
you'd stop
no,
and
I
listen
don't.
instead of talking,
I don't.
you'd be able to understand what he's
Well,
saying.
I'm listening to right now.
Okay, well,
Before
then
you
stop
start running your
talking.
mouth,
No.
let me understand first.
All right, well, I'll tell you what.
Can I do
I'll
that?
read it. I'll read it
Can
for
I
you.
do that?
How about that?
So what?
You have
Are they
stop talking and listen. Stop talking.
Are they
Shut your
pressing
mouth.
charges?
Stop talking.
Are they pressing
Stop
charges?
talking and
Are they
listen.
pressing charges?
Okay,
so-
Are they
all right.
pressing charges?
All right, we're done.
That's what I want to know. That's
All right,
what I want to know.
well,
It's
I'm not going to have
it's
this
not-
conversation
It's
until you
not
shut
like
up.
yelling. It's not yelling. It's not
All right.
being argumentative.
It is
But-
being
but-
argumentative. I asked you to
For
listen
what?
to me talk
What?
for a minute, and you
All
wouldn't
right.
stop running your mouth. That's why God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth, so you listen twice as much as you talk.
This looks a hell of a lot like you.
That's me.
Unlock this
Yeah.
phone.
I didn't see him take
Okay.
the phone, but he had the
All right.
phone like this.
Do you mind writing a statement?
No.
He had the phone.
No? Do you want?
I mean, no, all right. I'm sorry. I'm out of breath.
It's all good. I understand. You're a little flustered. So you said you want to write a
Yeah,
statement?
all right, sir. I'll
Okay.
press charges against some.
What are your charges?
Well, that's hopefully grand theft.
That's
in the
like
car.
stealing.
You stole an iPhone.
That's like stealing a vehicle or
You
something.
stole an iPhone, buddy. Those cost over $800.
I got my own iPhone, bro.
Well,
I got my own iPhone.
Yeah, and you got his.
Did you witness the interaction?
I didn't witness the whole like grabbing the phone, but he came to me and showed me the screenshot because it's Walter and I think it's his granddaughter maybe.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden I turned and he just took off. That's when I told Walter, and then we all just ran on the deck and we just hauled ass down here.
Yeah, because we saw him running, and we turned and we looked, and we're like, the hell? And then he goes, hey, cops, he stole a phone. And we're like, oh.
Hey man, hey, you going off? He said, she said.
dude, I watched you take the phone out your pocket. Ain't no he said, she said.
No, you didn't watch nothing, bro. You're sitting here at the railroad tracks, dog. What the f you talking about?
So yeah, just whatever happened, and then the approximate value of your cell phone, and that you do wish to prosecute. I'm assuming you wish to prosecute.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Hey, describe your personal phone.
My personal phone?
Yep, describe it for me.
No, I'll plead the fifth.
Okay, I'm gonna put your personal phone into evidence then.
I don't care what you put my phone in.
I'm sitting on the deck of Crazy Gator, and all of a sudden he's like, "Oh, this looks familiar, and then he showed me a picture.
So he was holding the phone, and he said, "Look, somebody look familiar on the phone," and it's ran on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like he just literally grabbed.
Okay. And your name, man?
My name is Ty now.
Now you want to show the. Now you want to show the.
Have a real bad day.
Then what's up, motherfucker? Then what's up, motherfucker? Show the. Then
kick my door.
Then what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna tase me,
hog
motherfucker? Yeah. Tase me. Lock me up, motherfucker.
Your ass.
Lock me up, motherfucker. For what? For what?
For kicking my doors.
Yeah, you ain't got on me, motherfucker. For locking me up. That's all you got, motherfucker. You ain't got the only thing you got is he said.
All right. Let's just get him.
All right. Yeah. Open the door, man, dog. What's up?
All right, buddy. You better have a lot of fun. Let's go. Come on.
What's up? What's up?
Let's go.
Grab me, motherfucker. Grab me, motherfucker. What's up? Pull me, Oh my God, dude.
Hey, they're behind you, Cole. Yeah.
Oh man, your face feels real good, huh? Don't it? Yeah, that concrete probably takes.
Yeah, and then what? And then what?
What resolved this case was not the chase, not a fingerprint, but a single photograph on a phone's lock screen. That image, showing the victim beside his young granddaughter, converted suspicion into probable cause in under a minute. It functioned as demonstrative identification of stolen property, evidence courts admit under authentication by distinctive characteristics. Under Florida statutes section 812.014, theft of property worth $750 or more becomes grand theft. That threshold elevates the offense to a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in state prison. The pocket search proceeded on voluntary consent, lawful under Schneckloth v. Bustamante when freely and knowingly given. When the suspect interrupted the Miranda advisement, he did not create legal protection, he removed it. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, decided in 1980, Miranda safeguards responses to interrogation, not statements a suspect volunteers. Every agitated outburst during the warning became potentially admissible against him at trial. Kicking the interior of the patrol vehicle satisfied the obstruction element of Florida statutes, section 843.02. That is resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor that does not require striking an officer to prove. The empty hand control used during removal meets the objective reasonableness standard from Graham versus Connor. Proportionate force, no strikes, no less lethal deployment, a takedown that survives civil liability review.
Go on that side. I got one.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Actually, that's a felony
Oh, okay.
because the phone's over $750.
I got you.
So
But what about
that is a felony.
assaulting y'all. That's
It's
not
a misdemeanor.
felony? Really?
It's a misdemeanor.
Oh.
Resisting without violence is a misdemeanor.
That was without violence?
Because neither one of us are going to the hospital.
Thank you,
So, no problem. You're all good.
Listen, I'm gonna fight you the rest of the way out of this car, alright?
Okay. It's gonna be 5'3",
I'm gonna fight you,
861. 5'3", 861. And the 263. 33 battle uses. Also, you notice 5. LCJ, that is 12 is he's gonna fight once I try to get him out of the car.
And I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you with everything I got.
Okay.
You ain't got no credible evidence.
You're either gonna make me cooperate or you're not gonna make me cooperate.
Let go.
Yeah, I know you're gonna do that. I know.
Are you going to cooperate or not?
No, I'm not gonna cooperate.
Let go of the seatbelt.
Now we just sitting there? Yep. Took y'all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y'all motherfuckers.
Your last chance. You describe your personal cell phone for me.
My personal cell phone. Yeah, it's black and it's got buttons on it.
I need a little bit more description than that.
Do you need a little bit for what?
Your personal cell phone is not black.
It's not what?
Alright.
It's not what?
what I suspect to be a person's cell phone will be put in PD evidence.
It's what?
All right.
The Eustis officers earn a grade of A- for procedure that would defeat both a suppression motion and civil claims. The half-step deduction reflects a sarcastic remark during the takedown that fell below professional tone. The suspect earns a grade of D for converting one felony into a felony plus 2 avoidable misdemeanors. 3 lessons emerge from this arrest, useful for anyone studying Florida criminal procedure. First, silence after arrest is a legal right, not a suggests Miranda for today. Second, probable cause can rest on a single item if that item uniquely identifies stolen property. Third, the line between misdemeanor and felony theft in Florida is $1 past $750. That threshold decides whether a defendant faces county jail or 5 years in state prison. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.